G'day all, Brendan back here from MaxAbility. As you can see and as promised, we're going fishing, mate. We're going fishing!
Yeah, boy!
So, look, I've got me rod, me tackle box, got me chili bin back there as well. It's going to start to get to the beach, and let's get this on. So we're on the all road. Just to recap, so we got the rear drive system on, got the front drive on at the moment. At the moment, just getting through this, I've just left the rear drive system on. I don't really need the front on as well. To be honest, I could probably get here through just with using the front as well, but I kind of liked having the back wheels going, so, you know, who cares? Anyway, let's go! Yeah. Here we go! I love this thing! Hey guys, we made it. Absolutely outstanding. I'll flick you around so you can have a look. Let me just see if I can work out how to do this. Probably not, but let's just have a look. This is where we are. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. So we've got a couple of baits in the water. Changed the tide, so we should be looking exceptional, I think. This is just outstanding. I tell you what, I fished as a kid for years and years and years with the old man, and being able to come out here and do this stuff again is just amazing. You know, it's just like it opens up so much. It's a bit of a spiritual, it's emotional, it's everything that comes into it. So look, I hope we catch something. It'll be outstanding if we do, but let's be honest, just being here is the main thing, you know. It's a bit windy here, we're cutting a spit, but so just to recap, so we've got 3 levels of traction. So the first level is just the bike, the second level is just the rears, and then the third is everything. So you've got no hesitation for traction, that's for sure. And we're in some pretty interesting stuff, and the sand's quite soft, as you can see. I love this thing!